What if I told you the fastest way to make money in 2025 requires $0 and just one bold decision? And no, it's not crypto, not dropshipping, not anything you've heard 1,000 times. Today, I'm handing you 7 viral AI business ideas you can start for completely free. These ideas are exploding right now. Ordinary people are turning simple AI tools into real income daily. But the question is, will you? Let me ask you something before we go deeper. Have you ever stared at your screen wondering where to even begin online? Or maybe you've tried a side hustle that flopped and thought, yeah, maybe this isn't for me. What if that wasn't your fault? What if you just weren't using the right tools? Because AI in 2025 is not optional anymore, it's a cheat code. And once you understand these 7 ideas, you'll never look at online income the same way again. So get ready, seriously. One of these ideas made me money within hours. And I'm revealing it step by step. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. Welcome to the channel. I drop AI money-making tools every single week. If you want to stay ahead, hit subscribe right now. And don't forget to click the bell button so you don't miss the next drop. Alright, let's do this. Idea number 1. AI content creation as a service. Businesses need content. Lots of it. Blogs, captions, newsletters, endless demand. You can use free AI text tools to write content in minutes. Then turn that same content into videos using Pictory AI. 2 services. 1 workflow. 0 cost to start. Offer these bundles to small businesses. They get speed and quality. You get paid. And trust me, they love done-for-you content. Next line. Idea number 2. AI social media management. You don't need design skills. You don't need editing skills. You just need AI to generate posts, captions, hashtag sets, and ideas. You schedule them, deliver reports, and keep the feed alive. Then turn posts into short videos using Pictory AI. Simple. Profitable. Outsourceable. And highly in demand. Idea number 3. AI webinar funnels. Webinars still sell everything: courses, services, software. But most people hate making them. AI solves that. Write the webinar script using a free AI text generator. Let AI create the slides. Use AI voice for narration if you want to stay off camera. Drop it all into Pictory AI to turn it into a polished video. Sell the funnel build as a premium service. Businesses will pay hundreds for a good webinar. And you can make it with 0 upfront spend. Idea number 4. AI graphic design plus video animation. Logos, thumbnails, posters, brand kits, all created with free image AI. But here's what makes it viral. You animate those designs. Yes, turn still images into motion graphics using Pictory AI. Now it's not just a logo, it's a full brand kit. And that means higher pricing. Creators love animation. Businesses love visual identity. You give them both. Idea number 5. AI podcast and voiceover production. No mic needed. No recording studio. Just AI voices. You write a podcast script. AI reads it. You enhance it. And Pictory AI turns it into a podcast video. Offer this as a full done-for-you service. Podcasts are booming. And creators want consistency without burnout. You become the back-end engine. Idea number 6. AI translation and transcription. Content creators want subtitles. Businesses want multilingual videos. Courses need translations. AI gives you extremely fast transcription for free. AI translates text into multiple languages. Pictory adds subtitles to the video. Deliver fully localized content. Very few freelancers offer this. You can dominate quickly. Idea number 7. AI chatbot building. Customer support is expensive, but AI chatbots reduce that cost. Free chatbot builders exist. Free language models exist. Train a chatbot using simple instructions. Then make a demo video using Pictory AI. Show the client what the bot can do. They'll pay for setup plus monthly maintenance. And that's recurring income. Now, those are your 7 ideas. But I know what you're thinking. Do these actually work? Yes, and let me prove it with my own example. I used idea number 1. Found a small business needing content. Wrote 5 articles using free AI. Generated videos using Pictory AI. Packaged everything neatly. Delivered it fast. They paid $100. That was day 1. No investment. Just AI tools and effort. Which brings me to this, like this. Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Now let me give you 3 simple scaling tricks. Trick number 1. Batch everything. Make content in groups. Make videos in groups. Saves hours. Trick number 2. Repurpose relentlessly. One script can become a video, a blog, a caption set, a short, a podcast. That's how you multiply output fast. Trick number 3. Build a portfolio instantly. Use Pictory AI to create sample videos. Post them on social media. Let clients see your style. You'll get leads even before offering services. Now, let's address objections. Isn't AI too saturated? Not when you package services, not just content. Do I need experience? Nope. Just practice prompts. What do I charge? Start low. Deliver big. Increase rates fast. Simple. Where do you find clients? Freelance platforms. LinkedIn. Facebook groups. Cold DMs. Discords. YouTube comments. Literally everywhere. Offer a sample. Show value. Close the deal. Now let's go deeper. Want to scale? Build a team. Hire VAS. Automate workflows. Document your process. Then sell your system. Yes, create a digital guide. Or a short course. Or templates. Passive income unlocked. Now here's the real difference maker. AI doesn't replace people. AI replaces people who don't use AI. And you're using it. You're ahead. You're early. And you're building something real. So here's your assignment. Choose one idea. Just one. Try it for 7 days. Create samples. DM businesses. Offer value. Document results. Improve. Repeat. That's it. Now, a quick recap. Idea 1. AI content service. Idea 2. AI social media management. Idea 3. AI webinars. Idea 4. AI graphics plus animation. Idea 5. AI podcast production. Idea 6. AI transcription plus translation. Idea 7. AI chatbot services. 7 ideas. $0. Unlimited potential. And Pictory AI ties almost all of them together. It's the multiplier. The accelerator. The leverage you need. But none of this works unless you start. Not tomorrow. Not someday. Start today. Start now. Make your first sample video. Build your first offer. DM your first client. Small steps create big outcomes. I believe you can do this. In fact, I know you can. You just needed direction. And now you have it. If you want a deeper breakdown for any of these ideas, let me know in the comments. And if this helped, remember, subscribe for more AI money-making tools. Turn on notifications. Stay ahead, always. Because tomorrow's world belongs to people who adapt today. Speaking of tomorrow, tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Don't miss it. Seriously, it's huge. Before we finish, here's one last push. You don't need permission. You don't need a budget. You don't need experience. You only need action. And the willingness to try. That's the real separator. The doers versus the dreamers. And you're a doer. Otherwise you wouldn't still be here. So start creating. Start testing. Start learning. Start earning. Use AI as your partner. Use Pictory AI as your engine. Use your creativity as the spark. And watch what happens next. You'll surprise yourself. You'll impress others. And you'll build something real. Alright, that's a wrap. Thank you for watching. Thank you for believing in yourself. Thank you for taking the first step. And I can't wait to see what you build. Subscribe before you go. Hit the bell. Stay tuned. Big things are coming. See you in the next video.